You see the way I cut it. Then we are going to put it on the middle here. If you put it on the middle here, then you will now use your finger to adjust it. So let's go. Get started. Let's get started. If you like this side, focus on this side the way I'm going to do it. If you like this side, focus on this part. So this is two look, the nude and the loud. This eyelash, this is the long one, this is the long one for this side, this is the short one for this side. This is mascara. This is eyeliner. We have two types of eyeliner. So for new beginner, if you know your hand is still shaking, I will just recommend this type for you. This type is easy if you want to draw with this eyeliner pencil. So if you know your hand is not shaking, you are used to it, you are a don, then you can use this liquid one, this one. You can use this one, this one. So if you know you can use this, use this. So these are what this. Then you need glue. This glue is what I use for my eyelash. I use this glue. So I have tried different glue, but I just prefer to be using this. Though this one is for hair, but it's very good for eyelash. So this is the short one. Then I'm going to put, you see the edge here, you just apply little bit of, you press little bit out like this, just little bit of the glue. You leave it there to dry like. Then this is the long one. Okay, let's go for the shorter one first. Okay, this is, so if you take eyelash, if you observe this eyelash, this hair in this eyelash, this side is more shorter, this side is more longer. So the shorter part is where the side that will stay in this area. Don't put the longer part in this area. So, and if you want to apply it on your eye, always hold the middle like this. Hold the middle like this. Then we are going to put it on the middle here. If you put it on the middle here, then you will now use your finger to adjust it. So let's go. Me, I always use mirror. Let me use mirror. It's not easy without mirror. Okay, you put it at the middle like this. Then you use this your finger to, you see, once this place is glue, you don't have problem. Then you now use your finger to adjust it, the two edge, just adjust it. First is the middle, then you now use your finger to adjust the edge. Okay, if there's any rough, don't worry, eyeliner is going to. Okay, as you can see, this one is done. Just open your eye like this. Okay, you just, then you now use your two fingers to press it like this, to click it, just use your two finger, like this to click it. Okay, then you now use your finger like this to raise it little bit, raise it, raise it, so that this place you will not have any, this place. Okay, now as you can see, this side is ready. Very easy. You see, hold the eyelash, this center, always make sure it's the center you hold, then you put it at the center, then you now use your hand to arrange the edge. Okay, let's go. Okay, now is, you see, center, very easy. Make sure once this place is settled, now you use your finger to press it like this. This one is the long one, this is the large makeup side. You press it, clip it together, then you use your finger like this to raise it, then make sure you bring your, use your finger to open your eye like this, open your eye like this, put your eye to see if your everything is balanced. Okay, guys, see, this way is the natural one. Note, this side is the apepe. Then next, you will use mascara. I always use mascara. Okay, then use your mascara to do the under your hair, so that everything will look like, okay, the same this way. Okay, the way I do before eyelash, and I still do, sometimes I do after eyelash, the mascara. Right now I'm going to show you the easy way to do eyeliner. Okay, so these two, if you are a new beginner, use this one. So I will use this one for this side in case you are a new beginner. I will use this one for this side in case you are a professional. Me, not that I'm a professional, I'm still learning you. So it's two options. This one, the difference is the tip is big. It's very easy for you to draw. This one, the tip is very tiny. So if you want to draw eyeliner, you see, you close your eye. You draw. You start from the up. Don't, if you start from here, you made mistake. Start from the up like this. You see the way I just bring it down. Then if you want to, after you draw that line, you go there, you put your eyeliner here, then you drag it like this. Okay, then you drag it, shade it, then you now shade the, okay, you drag it towards this way. You end it there. For the people that always do nude, they don't like cat eye. Cat eye is if the eyeliner come out from this place. Okay, so I'm going to do the loud one in this area, in the other eye, sorry. So I hope you understand how to use this big one. It's the same, but this one is more easy. So let me use this one for this side. So the people that like loud, most of them, they like the, even the big wing. So the same, just draw from the up, Okay, you can still extend it since this side is the large makeup. Once you achieve that one, then you close your eye. We are going to cut big one for you to pronounce. You see the way I cut it. See the way I cut it. It's very easy. Then you now shade it. You shade it. You feel it. Then you feel it. You feel it. Then okay, as you can see, then when you get to this area here, you bring it out. This is what we call wings. See, you open your eye. You see the wings. Okay, same here. Okay, as you can see, eyeliner is done. Some people use, if you like to use gold, if you want it to more pronounced, you can use gold eyeliner, silver eyeliner. You can use blue, you can use green, any color if you want. So if you want black, that is just it. Guys, I hope you have learned something. I hope you have learned something. So our next class is, you see all this place, all here, the way to do it, the way to do here. So our next class, I'm going to teach you proper way to do the lips, how to do the lips. Yes, guys, I hope you have learned something from today's episode. Yes, take a look at my face. This side is the nude, this side is the loud. Okay, this is the end of episode 5, how to fix eyelash and how to draw eyeliner, the easy way to draw eyeliner and the easy way to fix eyelash. Thank you. See you on my next episode. Bye. Okay. Thank you.